Hello there, welcome back. In this video, which will be pretty brief, I'm just going to show you another example of how outsourcing our thinking to AI can be problematic. And the reason I'm doing this is, of course, we're just seeing this more and more from clients and people I talk with, providing small prompts and getting answers. As we always say, that famous expression, there's no shortage of answers, but good questions are hard to find, proves true once again. So what I did is I prompted it here, by the way, not even a project. I'm just in Claude Sonnet 4, and I've given it this prompt. You are a business coach specializing in HubSpot. I'd like you to provide me with 3 examples of bad business ideas that seem good at first, but actually they're pretty bad, and let me know. So it's come back. I actually did this a couple of times over the weekend, got various answers. And so in this particular run, it's given me this one, a fractional HubSpot admin for SMBs, okay? The whole fractional piece of, we hear a lot about fractional CMOs, CROs, etc. Fractional HubSpot admin. And it said, look, sounds good. But of course, people can't find or afford full-time people, but it's actually bad because SMBs are notoriously cheapskates, is essentially what it's saying very politely here. All right, so then what I did is I took that exactly same model, Claude Sonnet 4, and I said, look, I'm thinking of offering that service. Can you let me know your thoughts? And I just pasted it in straight there. What did it come back with? It said, look, this is a strong service offering with clear market demand. And you find this with the AI models all the time. They tell you that your ideas are so good. They love to tell you that, and why. It gives you all the reasons why it's such a good idea and some considerations. And look, position as HubSpot insurance. And of course, you might say, oh, that's a great idea. Wow, this is made. The only redeeming feature really of this answer, it says worth testing with 2 to 3 pilot clients to refine service delivery before scaling. The Gundus had said that because that is actually the answer and really where I wanted to go to in this video. No shortage of answers, but there's a shortage of reality related to those answers. So what should you be doing? You should actually be testing and measure. If you've ever watched our HubSpot show where Ian and I talk about HubSpot in depth in the real world, we'll always talk about test and measure. So what does that mean? Well, I actually asked it here. What does it mean? It gives me a whole lot of stuff. But really, all it is about talking with prospective customers and asking them. And so I said, well, what about that? And it says, actually ask about problems, not solutions. I actually think that's pretty good when you're talking with people. Just actually validate the problem that you're solving first before launching into your solution. Gives you a few ideas, key questions, who else, how many solutions have you tried before to fix it, etc. Interview 10 to 15 people, and I'm like, okay, so I've already got this solution offering in mind. Still, it keeps me on course in terms of asking problem validation first. So I think that's actually good advice, and that's what I would say to any of these things. I think these AI tools are great for giving you a sense of things to consider, but as we always say, don't outsource your thinking. Just get it to provide you information that you can curate and think through yourself, and just be wary of it telling you stuff that you want to hear. All right, so that's with a service offering. In a future video, I'm actually going to go through some HubSpot implementation gotchas where I basically ask the AI models, give me an example of reports I should create in HubSpot. And it gives me a whole bunch of reports that are either already there or don't make sense. So you can watch a future video for that. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.